So let's take a look at this Jeep right here. Somebody got up against something and made a big old boo-boo dent and bent this fender in. So you don't want to replace the whole fender. You just want to maybe make this piece and then make this piece. And notice how all these cars all have curves in them like this. So how are we going to make the metal curve like that? Well, there's a little tool here called a shrinker and a stretcher. In one direction, it shrinks the metal or makes it go in, and the other makes it go out. So you put it in like this, and the teeth grab a hold of it, and then you just lean on it as hard as you can. And we just bent a piece that was straight and gave it an angle. And if you wanted to weld that in here, you could see that possibly it might be the right angle for something that would fit in this fender. And these are good products to have. They work well, and we use them all the time when we're doing what you call metal fabrication, where you're going to cut out a piece and weld in a piece so you can body work it. I'm Barry Wilson with Wilson Auto Repair. We do all types of things in this shop. We do mechanical work here, we do body work there, we do painting over here. In the middle shop, we do metal work where we actually fix these types of things. If you want to see some more of the videos that I make, go to my website, wilsonauto.com. And you can see all the videos that I've made that help you figure out how to make your car work better and some techniques of how to do something like this.